Hi, in this video we're going to look into embedding LeadGen forms into Leadpages. I've just opened the Leadpages builder with the standard theme right here. A nice page design with a classical simple form on here, which is built already by Leadpages that we want to now replace with a custom LeadGen multi-step form. So let's look into how we do this. So first of all, I want to show you the form that we're going to use, which is this one here. It's a multi-step form with a few more steps, a few more questions, rather than just asking for email and first name. So, this is first step, and then it asks for property address, and then a few more steps behind as well. So the form goes into here. Now, what are we going to do first? We're going to go into LeadGen, back into LeadGen app, and open the form and getting the embed code. So open up the form. This is the form overview page here. Go back into the variant that you want to use. Go to share and then just copy one of the embed codes, direct, embed, or iframe. I'm going to go with the iframe one for now. Copy it and put it right here. So first of all, we have to get rid of this form because obviously we can just have one here. So we're going to get rid of this. Just delete this text and this form element. And this little widget here as well. We're just going to keep this white background. Now then we go to widgets here and the menu. It doesn't straight away come up, the one we need, so you have to go on show more. And then the right one here is the standard HTML. Paste the code in here. Save it. Okay, it shows it is saved. Now let's see how it looks with the standard settings. If we go on preview. Okay, so the form loads, but it's not fully optimized yet because it is too slim. So this text here we want to have in one row instead of two rows. So if you compare it to the original form design, this is what we want to have. And this is the current result. So how do we fix this? By making the form wider. Let's go back to the builder. So this is how you can just adjust the size of this page structure, which is the key to making the form load and fit into the section. Yeah, we don't need it that. Just gonna leave it a little bit bigger, and then we're gonna change this text size so that it fits nicely as well. So there we go. This could work. Go back to preview. And now you can see it loads much nicer. It fits the page in the right way. You can get rid of this white element later on as well. You can move it a bit higher. That's some more detailed work inside the Leadpages builder, but all of that is achievable. But yeah, this look I think looks good and suits this form. The spacing here behind, like the section adjusts based on the form as well, so it perfectly fits. So that's how you can embed LeadGen forms into Leadpages. We're going to look into some more builders and using LeadGen forms across other types of web page builders as well. So looking forward to see you in one of the next videos.